This recipe's pretty special to me. It's my savoury ricotta loaf, but I'm incorporating feta and olives and lots of herbs.
Good combos here. I like where you're going.
And whilst I get you to chop some herbs, it's special to me because it's actually a recipe from my book, which I wrote a long time ago now, but it's a recipe that brings me back to when I first started writing recipes. Because, you know, in the early days when you're writing recipes, you know, you're figuring things out. You figure out how other people want to eat, how you want to eat, how you want to be, you know, in your method, in your approach to cooking. So here we are.
Nice.
A little riff on the original because I'm incorporating this beautiful feta into it. This one is especially delicious. It's salty, creamy, tangy. It crumbles beautifully and it holds really well in my ricotta loaf.
And what I love about this one is it's Greek-style feta, but it's Aussie-made, family-owned company, Aussie cows, Aussie milk.
Yep.
It's good stuff.
Yeah, it is good. So we're going to get 5 eggs into the bowl first and whisk them well. The rest of the ingredients we essentially want to fold through because we don't want them to lose too much of their form. We want a little bit of texture in this loaf. And then we'll fold through our ricotta. But whilst I'm doing that, Tim, I'll get you to chop up about a cup of basil.
Oh, how good does that look?
So many herbs in this one.
Love it.
And you want that. You want the flavour coming from those herbs.
Now, give us the brass tacks. Is ricotta, is it good for us? Should we be eating more ricotta?
Yeah, look, I think, you know, cottage cheese has had a real moment.
It has, hasn't it?
But ricotta's been around forever. It's creamy, it's got a great source of calcium and protein. And what's also tasty in this loaf is the feta.
Yes.
So we're going a whole block of the feta into the loaf, so 200 grams. Don't crumble it too much. I really like to feel like you're biting into a piece and there's a chunk of feta waiting for you.
Yeah, that delicious salty goodness.
Yeah,
I like
that's it. So we'll crumble a bit of that in, leaving some chunk, and then you can get the herbs in as soon as you're done.
All right. Perfect.
Salt and pepper, please, my friend.
Got you.
You can go for it.
Salt. Olives are quite salty, feta, so I won't put too
Not too
much.
You can always season it as you eat it, right?
Yeah, with some nice salted butter spread on it.
I don't think you need butter with all the cheese in this. What is lovely, though, is things like some poached eggs.
Oh, yeah.
At brekkie. All right.
Looks good.
Yep. So don't over mix it.
Yep.
Want those chunks to remain of the feta.
Awesome.
And then I'll
That's a big
hold
bowl.
you pour.
Yep,
Let's
teamwork.
go.
Here we go.
We have a low oven heat for this one, 160, which means that it needs to cook for over an hour.
Okay.
Just a little bit of golden on the top is what we're after.
There you go.
Spread it out a bit, and then to finish before it goes into the oven, give it a little tap. Lovely.
Come in.
And then a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over the top, so as it bakes, it develops that beautiful golden look on the top.
Yep, that's cool.
Yeah, and that's it.
You beauty.
Yeah. All right. Into the oven. See you on the other side. This one's ready.
Oh.
All right. So it's cooked beautifully.
Yeah, look at that.
And the consistency is exactly what I want.
Yeah.
I'm going to serve it up like you would if you were having a cheese board this time, though.
Oh, nice.
There ain't no picnic in this kitchen today.
No.
So we'll get some nice slices there. Little olive that's popped out. That's all right.
That's okay.
I really like to have this on hand as well if I've got, you know, lunches that I just want to lean into the fridge and grab something that's delicious and makes lunch exciting. Very simple. Heroing some great ingredients. What are you thinking?
I was just thinking a beautiful homemade relish, like just spooned on top, maybe with a little bit of sharp cheddar.
You do a few little pieces like that so you don't feel obliged to take a whole chunk.
I will. I'll take. Wow.
Yeah, it looks good. I mean, look at that.
The chunk
For
of
the
feta.
feta.
Yeah.
How exciting.
Shotgun. That's mine. Lovely.
Just I'm going to add a little final touch. That guy there. And that's it.
Look at that.
Now, you may not go near that one because we are serving this one to our guests.
Oh, what?
I'm kidding,
No
I'm
way.
kidding. Tuck in.
I'm going in. Wow.
See how it goes.
Mm.
Yummy.
I just got a chunk of that beautiful feta too. But then the consistency of the loaf is really, really lovely.
Yeah.
And all of those herbs just lift it to another level. Jack, that's an absolute winner.
Barbecues, picnics, you got it. My
Yeah.
savoury ricotta and feta loaf.